Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to show you carrots and rice will make you look 10 years younger even if you are over 70. This magical remedy will remove wrinkles and fine lines naturally and will get you the best results. By using that remedy, guys, you will notice a great results in your skin and you remove wrinkles and fine lines naturally. The first ingredient we will need is 1 carrot, and we need to grate the carrot like so. Then we need to strain it to get the fresh carrot juice. Once we get the fresh carrot juice like so, it's around 2 teaspoons of fresh carrot juice. We need to add on it 2 teaspoons of rice flour, and if you don't have rice flour, get the rice and grind it fine into a powder with a food processor or a grinder, and add 2 teaspoons of rice flour. And mix well. Now our magical remedy is ready. Apply it on a clean skin that has no makeup or dust and leave it for 45 minutes to 1 hour to dry out completely, and then rinse it with water. And my friends, the result will amaze you. This removes the wrinkles and fine lines naturally, and as you can tell, with just 2 simple ingredients we prepared super effective remedy.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.